Vanessa's rebuttal. Now, David, quite a few episodes ago, you were telling us about, lying with your young nephew, looking up at the clouds and seeing interesting things in clouds. If you saw a very long white cloud, what would that remind you of?
That would be the land of the long white cloud, I'm imagining. Over the ditch, which is how New Zealanders call the Tasman. And we're talking about a few words that come from New Zealand. And in particular, I've got a sister-in-law, my sister-in-law Mary, who spent a few years over there. She's come home with a different vocabulary. Thongs are no longer thongs, but jandals. The other is pottle. Now, pottle is a sort of cardboard cup that contains hot food, usually chops. So pottle does mean small pot and can pertain to a tankard or a small jar as well. But the other one that I loved was that she took her son, young Ben, off to Plunket. And I thought, plunk what? And Plunket is a sort of neonatal healthcare place, and it's named after Lady Victoria Plunket.
Oh, so it is just the name, Plunket.
It is. In fact, you could be a Plunket nurse or a Plunket centre, but it is a very distinctive word in New Zealand that we don't hear over here, but a lot of Plunket behaviour going over across the ditch.
Thank you, David. Let's have a look at our scores before we move on, and Ollie is leading quite strongly at the moment on 15 points as we move into our next letters game. And Vanessa, it's you to choose, please.
Thanks, Richard. May I start with a consonant, please?
You may. Thanks, Vanessa.
R. And another consonant, thanks.
M.
And another.
D.
And a vowel, thanks.
A.
Another vowel.
I.
And another one.
U.
And a consonant, please.
H.
And another consonant.
N.
And a vowel, thank you.
And last letter, E.
I'll start the clock. Well, Vanessa, how many that time for you?
4.
4 for you. Ollie?
6.
Okay, let's go with the 4 first, please, Vanessa.
Dame.
And your 6, Ollie?
Harmed.
David?
Harmed is fine, and in fact, why not be unharmed? Again, the prefix, suffix, blindness, that can actually creep in under the pressure of the clock. But unharmed is a possible 8. Obviously, harmed is good for 6. And you can even say it in the Cockney way and be unarmed, which is another 7.
Nice work, and nice work for Ollie. Another 6 points. On with the letters, and Ollie, this time, what would you like to select?
Thanks, Richard. Can I have a consonant, please, Lily?
You can, Ollie. Thank you. T.
And another one, please.
L.
And another one, please.
S.
And another one, please.
Another S.
And a vowel, please.
O.
And another vowel, please.
I.
Another vowel, please, Lily.
E.
And another vowel, please.
Another I.
And a consonant, please.
And last letter, Y.
Thank you, Lily. Time starts now. Well, how many did you end up with that time, Ollie?
6.
And Vanessa?
5.
Let's go with the 5.
Losers.
And your 6, Ollie?
Styles.
Okay. Another couple of good ones, David?
They are. Well, after decorate, style seems a natural segue. Perfectly good for 6. And in fact, you can stylise, which is a possible 7.
Okay, nice work. And Ollie keeps powering on with another 6 points. That means he's strongly in the lead at the moment on 27. Let's turn back to the numbers now. And Vanessa, power back into action, I think. What would you like?
4 small and 2 large, please.
Thanks, Vanessa. 2 large and 4 small. And our numbers are 10, 3, 6, 6, and the 2 large, 25 and 75. And the target to reach is 813.
30 seconds to get there. Well, Vanessa, I noticed the pen went down a little bit early. Is that a good sign?
I hope so.
You hope so. What did you get?
813.
Oh, that is a very good sign. Ollie?
813.
Okay, well, Vanessa, let's go with your method first, please.
75 times the 10 is 750.
75 by 10 is 750.
Plus 25 times 3
Plus 25 by 3
is 825.
825.
Subtract the 6 plus the 6.
Take away 6 plus 6, which is 12, is 813.
Very nice work indeed. Right on the target, Vanessa. Ollie, was your method the same?
Exactly the same, I think.
Okay, would you just like to verify with each other that you have used the same approach? Lily, did you use the same method?
I used a different method.
Okay, show us what you did.
Okay, 75 plus 6 is 81. 81 by the 10 is 810. Add the 3 is 813.
That's a very nice, simple, elegant method there, but great work from both Ollie and Vanessa. 10 points each. Great to see Vanessa on the scoreboard with 10. Ollie is on 37 as we're heading into our next break and your next word mix. This time it's coca suit. And your clue to play unplugged. Back after the break.